Здравейте! Днес ще ви срещна с един човек, на когото много от вас биха завидели. Каквото и да кажа за него би прозвучало банално, така че ще карам направо. Представям ви Никос Петридис, собственик на бара Коко Амос, който бих искала да запазя за себе си, но все пак го споделям с вас. Having a bar on the beach is idyllic. What it really is to have a bar. And tell us about the process between, during and after the tourist season.
The place is a small place, a small village, and the life in this village is only summer. The winter is stay here 150 people. It's very small, but it's nice. And the season start June, finish September, and coming people from all world. But last years, coming much people from Balkan, Bulgarians, Romanian, Serbia, because open the borders. Είναι πολύ δύσκολο γιατί στην ουσία κάνουμε μια πολύ μεγάλη διαδικασία για να στήσουμε το μαγαζί και δουλεύουμε πολύ λίγο χρόνο. Το πλην είναι ότι θα πρέπει να έρθουμε εδώ, να βάψουμε ό,τι είναι σπασμένο, να το αλλάξουμε, να κάνουμε πολλή προετοιμασία. The life is very easy here. The village is a family village. Don't have much bars, nightlife, and this is easy place. But have very good food, fish food. For me, it's fish village. The sea is very clean. The place here is have blue flake. It's very natural. And I say these people from Bulgarians coming this place from easy. Don't have parties and nightlife. Sometimes here Coco Amos is the name, the beach bar here. Play stars. Miss Monique, Korolova, from Serbia, Space Motion. It's very big DJs now.
How everything with Coco Amos started, and how long you and your family have it, and how the beach looked like before it.
Όλα ξεκίνησαν από τον παππού μου πίσω από το δρόμο. Here don't have nothing. My grandfather start 1970 here. Later my father, and now me. But one day sit there, and I'm saying, why not don't go here? Because it's down and don't look sick. And go to my government and have, but it's very difficult. Say me no, I see, but later me and 5 friends one night coming here and start all build. Coming police, write me again, and go. Πήγαινα συνέχεια στο δικαστήριο.
To the court.
And one time stopped. And give much money. Me only color and this, but one friend is architect and very good technical, and do it.
That's great.
Do it before 5 years coronavirus. Because the people no go to village, it's closed, and don't coming to police here. And do it.
Why did you decide to continue doing this after what your father and grandfather did?
My really job is electricians. But and stay Thessaloniki. And one day my father tell me, Nico, I can't. I'm very old. I can't do it. This job. Close or take it. Or if you want coming. And I'm say okay. I try 1 year, 2 year, and later try 1-2 years here, and I'm like the start because I'm younger, and now I'm okay. But very much work here, many hours, many hours, and now it's okay. But the problem is my government is very taxes. Every day wake up and have one more tax. This is the problem. I think one time help us, my government. I think. I don't know, but I think.
Family business is a dream come true for many people. But working with siblings is also hard. What is the key to success?
Family business is sometimes is good, sometimes not good, because sisters and brothers, and sometimes have fight and blah blah. But it's good because say one day I can't coming, you are go and help, have helps. Now I'm alone, don't have family. Maybe later, I don't know. God is, I'm married. I married 5 years. I hope have children later, and I don't know what happened here. The key is the job, work. Sometimes I'm coming here Monday morning and go next Monday, go to sleep. Maybe 5 and 6 days, no sleep, nothing. And very much work. And this is η επιτυχία, πώς λέει,
How about your wife? How does she takes everything with so many work and let's say you're not home for so long?
Στην αρχή την φαινόταν πολύ δύσκολο γιατί δεν είχε ξανακάνει αυτή τη δουλειά. Και έπειτα απλώς της είπα ότι απλώς πρέπει να κάθεται σε μία καρέκλα και να χτυπάει στην ταμιακή μηχανή και να μαζεύει τα χρήματα. No service, no bar, only machine, taxes machine play, and I'm say okay. And thank you very much, my wife, because I'm maybe sometimes go to Thessaloniki, big shop, or maybe go to government, papire, and sometimes δεν πρέπει να είμαι εδώ. Very great support. It's a very important support.
Apart from family, you need other people to work for you because it's getting bigger. How do you find the right people? Because usually this is hard.
Papers, friends, speak. I need service, I need bar, I need chef, friend from friend, and sometimes go to office, job office. Sometimes, but it's a very this years is very difficult. I don't know. The young people don't like have a job, and the people do it this job is students, young people. Say maybe coming from Thessaloniki, coming from another place like Katerina. And say okay, and work and holidays together. Sometimes work and sometimes holidays.
Okay.
Have day off, have holidays. Have work, have work.
When it's off season, do you still work as an electrician? Do you have jobs like that, or
No, because this job is now and electricians. But sometimes yes, sometimes because the here is season is small and the weather is very big. And
what do you do during the winter?
little bit hobby, little bit holidays, and I have 103 olive tree, and go there a little bit work there. But this work is 1 month.
Atmosphere is very important. What inspires you to be so friendly and meet and greet your guests with smile when they come and when they go?
Προσπαθούμε να είμαστε ευγενικοί, να παρέχουμε καλές υπηρεσίες, καλό σέρβις και να περνάει ο κόσμος καλά. Η μουσική παίζει σημαντικό ρόλο και αυτό και η εργατικότητα. Αν αυτά τα συνδυάσουμε όλα, έχουμε επιτυχία.
Alright, and what inspires you to do all that?
Η δουλειά μου. Είναι η δουλειά μου και πρέπει σε οποιαδήποτε δουλειά να το κυνηγάς. Αν κυνηγάς το όνειρό σου, αυτό κάποια στιγμή θα έρθει.
What it's like to meet so many different people? Tell us an interesting story with interesting tourists.
Ο κάθε λαός έχει διαφορετική κουλτούρα. Εμείς προσπαθούμε να συνδυάσουμε τη δική τους με την δικιά μας και ιστορίες μπορούμε να πούμε πάρα πολλές. Οι οποίες άλλες είναι καλές, άλλες είναι άσχημες. Somewhere is good, somewhere is bad. Έχουμε διάφορες, έχουμε ιστορίες που έχουν καταλήξει, που είχαν πολύ ωραίο happy end, όπως κάποιοι άνθρωποι που γνωριστήκαν εδώ, μετά από λίγα χρόνια ήρθανε με οικογένεια. Ήρθανε δηλαδή, ενώ γνωριστήκαν εδώ, ο ένας ας πούμε από τη Σερβία και ο άλλος από τη Ρουμανία και στο τέλος ήρθανε μαζί με τα παιδιά τους.
How do you deal with more demanding customers?
Οι Έλληνες. Κάποιες φορές εμείς προσπαθούμε όσο γίνεται πιο ευγενικά, αλλά μερικές φορές πρέπει να μιλήσουμε άλλη γλώσσα για να καταλάβουμε.
How do you feel when you know that people are coming back every summer because of you here?
Αν πάρω παράδειγμα από εσάς, που είναι η δεύτερη ή τρίτη χρονιά που έρχεστε εδώ και σας ευχαριστούμε, όταν βλέπουμε the same people coming again, I think the place is good, like the place.
People here in Pyrgodikia are so friendly and welcoming. How do they do it?
Δεν είναι όλοι, αλλά αυτοί που ασχολούνται με τον τουρισμό πρέπει να είναι ευγενικοί, γιατί αυτό πουλάει το μέρος. Είναι ένα μέρος καθαρά τουριστικό, όπως είπαμε και στην αρχή, because it's a jump. It's sail tourism. This is the village. Sail tourism and αν δεν είσαι ευγενικός και δεν κάνεις σωστά τη δουλειά σου, δεν θα έχει δουλειά είτε το μαγαζί σου είτε το μέρος.
Which drink are you?
Bacardi Coca-Cola.
Which drink is Coco Amos?
It's cocktail Coco Amos. Take shaker and ice. 60-70 ml gin. Aperol. What do you like? Mango, pineapple, passion fruit. Shake it. Cheers!
Ако ви харесва това, което правим, можете да се абонирате за канала и да натиснете камбанката, за да не пропускате нищо ново. Харесайте това видео, споделете го с някой познат и не пропускайте да споделите вашето мнение в коментарите. Чао и до скоро!